why I put this towel on top of my head, but it kind of makes me feel like, you know, it feels like the nighttime, you know. It feels like I'm about to get into my skin, about to, you know, get all in there, you know. Oh boy. But today, so we're in my bathroom, you know, in a different area because I want to show you my skincare routine, you know, how I get my skin very clear, how you can achieve clear skin, and also basically show you like what I do at night, you know, when I have this, you know, gross, disgusting makeup on my face and it gotta go. So before I want to get into this, I just want to say that this video is sponsored by BioClarity. BioClarity is a skincare line that I've been using lately, and honestly I do not use newer things on my face unless they work, honey, and I'm here to tell you that it works, because you know it does. But I'm going to just show you my first steps and get into the skincare line so I can share my knowledge with you, and yeah. The first thing I like to do is actually get wipes and wipe off my face. All of you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I use Kirkland wipes. I use any wipes. Neutrogena is nice, you know, it's great, but I ran out and I just need something to get the job done. A little secret that I do, I actually take this because this is not as strong as Neutrogena, and for all the girls out there trying to save their coins, I got you. You get some baby oil. Get some regular old baby oil, you put it on, you put it right on it, and it's gonna also help take off your makeup. So I'm looking to the side because my, you know, mirror's right there. See that? Disgusting. And make sure you wipe your face really soft because, like, you're not trying to, you know, damage your skin, you know, all that bad stuff. I'm gonna take another one because you never know, like, your skin, like, makeup just be all up in the crevices, and I ain't got time for all of that. So now that's all off my face, and you know, I'm looking like a baddie. I'm gonna do the first step of the routine, which is the number one, which is cleanse. And with cleanse, it literally is it says a cooling, detoxifying, calming cleanser. I know it has cucumber, green tea, chamomile. I actually like drinking chamomile. It makes me, you know, feel all good inside. I want to say that BioClarity is a 100% vegan. All her healthy stuff, exactly. I know it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, all this other stuff free. You know, this is just good stuff for your face, and you're supposed to do it, you know. That's just what's supposed to happen. So I'm just put this over my, you know, on my fingertips. Okay, so next, after I do that, I like to do a mask every so often, and also I love how BioClarity they also have a mask that they gave me, which is their clarifying mask, and it has, I hope I really don't butcher this, it has Floralux, tea tree, and aloe. And if you don't know, Floralux has chlorophyll in it. If you don't know what chlorophyll is, your science teacher should actually be angry at you right now. If you don't know what that is, just look it up. But all I know is that it actually helps acne and, you know, get all those little gross spots off your face. As you know, I have a lot of acne scarring, so I've been trying to, you know, make that go away because it's kind of disgusting. I know a lot of people like to go in with, you know, fancy brushes, but I don't. I think it's cute how it's like green. It's kind of fun. Okay, so after that, I like to, you know, let this sit for like about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back with, you know, get ready and stuff. So, you know, don't miss me too much. So next I'll be using is the number 2, which is the Treat, which has 2% salicylic acid. yeah. And then it has also oat kernel, and it's an acne treatment gel. I like to use this to put on like the blemishes that I feel like that are for sure coming in, and I'm like, yo, chill. Really, the packet I have is really good for oily skin, and they have 2 types of packets. This is like a gel, so you want it to like dry down when you're done putting on this treatment. I get really bad like weird acne on my cheeks. I don't know what it is. In my chin, that's where like it's really bad at. But after I do that, I use the last step, which is the restore, which is number 3, and it's the power of green, which is Florux, the thing I was trying to explain in the beginning. Basically, this is like a green smoothie. This is the moisturizer, but this is like a green smoothie that you would drink, but instead, well, you wouldn't drink. Don't drink this. Oh my god, please don't. Basically, a green smoothie that you would drink, this is what your face would drink. So this is the moisturizer, and it like comes out green, which is so weird, but like it's not gonna make you green. Also, Florix helps to like smooth out your skin and like breakouts. And then like if you have like a problem with like redness and stuff like that, like this would be really good for you, because I don't know, you just don't want to be a tomato sometimes. I don't have to worry about that too much because I don't get red easily, so your girl chilling right now. And then to finish up, I like to take the Mario Badescu spray. This is literally like my baby, everybody knows that. So just spray my face. And that is it. So basically, I hope you guys took this in. I'm gonna let my life together to get. Yes, so that was my skincare nighttime routine, how I take off my makeup, how I go from a baddie to whatever baddie. Thank you very much. Also, I just want to make sure that you guys, like, honestly, try out BioClarity. Like, I'm just telling you, like, the honest with my heart. I would never show you things that I don't use personally. That's really weird. You should try it out. Also, I will have a coupon code at the bottom for you guys and a link to it in the description box. So you should definitely do it. You know your girl got you a coupon code, so don't trip. I really hope you guys liked it. Also, this is vegan, natural products, so whatever, don't be scared to put it on your face. Like, you're in good hands. You know, your girl trying to be healthy here, you know. Skinny queen. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like my skincare routine. I hope it was very helpful for you guys, and you know, that your girl is glowing right now. Your girl is glowing, yes. All right, bye guys, love you.